2% lower drag coefficient. 5% increase down force. 1.2% higher top speed.
Get ready for what's coming. More speed, more horsepower, more of everything.
McQueen is fading fast.
You'll never be the racer you once were. You can't turn back the clock, kid. But you can wind it up again.